I have a Hoover Windtunnel 3 high performance here, and this is pretty interesting because this rug plate is completely sealed, or would normally completely seal to whatever surface you'd point it at. Of course, remember I'm hanging it off the rug here, so obviously it's not sealed, but I just wonder with its highest bagless airflow I've personally ever measured, I wonder how well this is going to do in the extreme edge cleaning slow-mo test. So put some on the top and put some on the side off the edge, and then put some underneath. See how this does. Alrighty, and away we go. Alright, I'm looking at the top right here. Yeah, it got it. There isn't any kind of whiteness or tint or anything like that in here, so top's good. We can see that actually along, I'll notice the edge first here, I'm not seeing a buildup right where my fingernail is, and I do see some here. I realize that's kind of a lot to expect from something that's only got like 66 CFM, but you know, it got a large part of it to be sure. Alright, here we go. Wow, look at that. It did get a lot of what was underneath here. And it did actually move some, though. Off camera, I don't think you can see a little bit. I'm going to move this here. Right there. It shifted some all the way over here. I'm not seeing really a lot of clogged pores right here. But that is somewhat surprising performance. So not too bad. The very heavy agitation, now you can see right there, you can see where it's just kind of smashed a bunch in here. Those are the white dots. So that's kind of down into the cracks and whatnot. It didn't do a complete clean sweep by any means, but the massive agitation that this particular machine has was enough to keep the pores of the carpet open, so that a lot of the flour definitely could get sucked up through here. And of course, as I mentioned before, the rug plate completely seals, and there is absolutely no opening on the side. So overall, that's really some pretty good performance. But like I've said before, this is a very surprisingly good bagless machine. I mean, that's fantastic. Airflow that's almost in the 70 CFM range. That's really fantastic. So let's see if I can do this here. Give it 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching.